Anna.
Rita.
Adina.
Very warm welcome to Iceland, the home of Icelandic. The local time is at
Mind if we check in? Room tour. We each get our own beds. Oh, guys. We are hitting the town, and by town I mean Reykjavik. Reykjavik.
Burning snow and ice will go and leave me stronger than the old.
This one's way cuter. That's so cute.
Helpless, needing shelter from the storm.
My hat is from this whole store. I just got it. This is thrifted. My little bag is also thrifted. You can join in,
Hi, I'm from Rome, Georgia. I'm here for cinnamon rolls, which I understand are just
Really good. They're so, it was great meeting you. What's your name?
Joanne.
No, that was
great to
Joanne
meet
from
you.
Georgia.
You are?
I'm Anna.
Anna?
Rita.
Rita?
Rita.
Okay.
Rita, I just said
Rita.
Adina.
Agina?
Adina.
Adina.
What was that shoes? I don't want to say it. My free coffee from the cinnamon shop. She stole it. Accidentally, but it's actually blue bottle. Similar vibes. Yeah. This is like the best day ever.
That fusing apart, it's crashing at our walls, and levees can't hold nothing back.
Oh, I almost fell asleep driving here. They made me drive. I'm half asleep. I only slept an hour.
I want the truth, fleeting like everything we do.
Us en route. That's crazy! We're in the volcano. Never do that for me. Why would you do that? Do you not know how I feel? Do you not know how she feels? Do you not see how I feel? Run! We made it.
The sea conditions could be a little bit rough when we go out there. So
Where
What a morning it's already been. We are here. To William. So I just wanted to walk you guys through our morning so far. We woke up We woke up at a beautiful time, 6:57, around there, and it was a beautiful sunrise. So I slept 7 hours. I'm adjusted. I woke up at 4 a.m. I slept very well. We just slept very well. We got a little breakfast at the hotel. We were unfortunately surprised with some traffic, so we didn't get a little coffee this morning, but that's okay because now we're on a beautiful boat waiting for whales. And the captain seems sure that we'll see whales today. Yeah, and we'll get coffee after. How many whales do you guys see? I hope I see like 7 whales. Oh, I just want to see one. I just want to see like a decent 3 and like a dolphin. Hit, like...
rays of light pass through clouds, made it to the hurricane.
Can you come here often? Can I please get a vanilla ice latte? Teb, please. I'm just gonna ask you a question.
Wow, so pretty.
Very strong now. Move towards the unknown. And I know you.
It's been 2-ish hours. No sign of any whales yet.
You've always known we would fly. Just take a little time.
Matter of fact, we did not see any whales today.
I saw a lot of whales, if you ask me.
She doesn't mean that. So all of our guesses were wrong. We'll just go get some coffee and some butter chicken and then everything will be okay.
Leaving me in pieces and then making sure I'm home.
Look at this cute cup.
Another fair relationship. Guess it's back to situationships. Till this whole dying soul feels half alive.
Magnet for my mom.
Look for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home.
Shopping.
This place is truly
Driving the bus. What I wanted.
am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between. I didn't think I'd ever get this lonely. All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baited by the hook and now I'm terrified to look at my story through somebody else's eyes. There's a four-way stop on a one-way road, and that 210 view never felt like home. If this is truly meant for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights don't shine on me. Break my back and grind my teeth for a paycheck. It's all I'm meant to be, just stuck in the in-between.
Let me give you a taste test or on your time.
Rita's room, in my room. welcome to my crib. And of course Adina's room right here. It's really cozy. This is me in the corner.
I can't even lie, it's really homey. No, it is.
What's the problem?
Look at my white grandma's house. Yes.
Exactly. What is this square footage wise?
Two.
Too square feet. We had the loveliest morning, can I just say. I didn't sleep until 2, but that's totally okay. We woke up, had the loveliest breakfast. The hotel manager guy cooked us up a really good breakfast. It was so yummy. And today we are headed to the beaches, more waterfalls. Okay, and the question of the hour, should I wear this one or this hat? Really tall person.
Oh my god.
I'm on YouTube.
Oh really? Right now?
It's live.
Hi YouTube.
I'm an up and coming artist. I have 80 subscribers.
Oh, okay.
What a cute little coffee shop. They said they would subscribe. So if you're out there, School Beans Cafe, I should be looking at 3 more subscribers today, so I'll be watching out for that. Let's try this. I got the matcha. to this place, and then we're gonna go look for ice diamonds. Drake Is this like paper? Yeah. Paper. Here we have our first encounter with the proper rainfall. Everything is really awesome, but just a word of advice, if you thrift a jacket, it's actually not gonna be really waterproof. So, looks good, doesn't feel too good. Athena's really waterproof over here.
So waterproof is crazy.
Arcteryx. Aside from that, we're just going to the Viking village right over there. So we'll do that, and then we'll get back in the car, and then we'll drive. Get back home. Okay, first time on a Viking boat.
Was I a good one?
Me and my friends just bought this Viking village, and we're gonna remodel it into a 5-story, 5-bath, modern, contemporary structured villa. We have a little fence for protection here, and of course these are the dinosaur bones I collected when I did kill that one dinosaur. So that is just right there. Yes, so as I spoke earlier, here is the very front entrance of the house. So we are thinking to take this all down and actually put in a little sliding door. I think it will really open up the whole area, make it more welcoming. So there's that.
And I thought that I'd be strong enough. I'm not anymore.
Iceland, how we feeling, baby?
Then an old for you.
We had a lovely breakfast today, which is really good because yesterday evening we actually did not eat. No. Yeah. Turns out most restaurants do close at 9, and if they're open, their kitchen's closed. So we drove around a lot, and we skipped all the markets because we thought we'd eat at a nice little restaurant.
And today we also went for like a more colorful vibe.
Yeah.
Just because dreary as heck out here, dude. So we need to bring color. And we need to like liven things up.
Yeah.
We're going back to school bus. So pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah, so we're at the School Beans. It's School Beans Cafe. And there's no dogs inside, so we'll have to leave Adina in the car. Okay, last aid Vic, let's go!
Myself from something that I'm not anymore.
You're never gonna believe it. The road we were on yesterday flooded today. Right after we left, actually, the river. God has favored ours. Like this whole trip, trust.
The school bus actually is going to drive away. So we have our seats, which is really good. Everybody else, voters better grab a life vest. Voters better grab a life vest.
I know, you're gonna be like this. They're gonna fall on you, they're gonna be like this.
The barista at School Beans Cafe is actually a magician, guys, so make sure you follow him. They weren't lying when they said wind gusts today.
Thought we had it solved. Wrote it in a letter, how you made my world revolve with every touch. Oh, the late nights in Kentucky, wonder how I got so lucky. Oh, you took my sweater from me, but you couldn't say you loved me. Never knew what this would be, but it fit you like you fit.
Pizzeria. Come get your pizza. We're gonna try black crust pizza. Thank you so much. Cheese pull. Wow. Plates are warmed up, which is perfect. Keep my pizza nice and warm. I tried this one. This one has fig. This one's really good.
This could be different every second, every minute. Just don't roll away. Just don't roll away.
Just been notified by that little lady. 460 steps to go all the way up there.
Just don't roll away. Called you in the morning when you landed just to see If you would ever think of coming home to Tennessee,
We are running to the
I
horses
feel
now
like
before the
I'm
horses leave.
changing, but you don't think I can be what you deserve. Threw away the photos of you dancing on shade.
So this is actually faster than I went the entire time. Our flight boards in like 5 minutes. Our driver drove here in like 3 seconds. The easiest security line I've ever seen. Friendliest people ever. We're gonna walk that way and go to our flight and go home.